मैंने, और स्क्रीन शेयर का सिर्फ चेक कर लीजिए. Ibtisam, can you please share your screen and see?
Ma'am, how to share my screen?
There is an option below share screen करके. Click on that and tell me what prompt is coming.
मैम ब्लू कलर का स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, उसके बाद व्हाइट बोर्ड है, देन स्टिकी नोट्स.
नीचे एक ग्रीन कलर का ऑप्शन है शेयर स्क्रीन का. अगर आप देखोगे ना, सबसे नीचे आपको दिखेगा शेयर स्क्रीन का ऑप्शन ग्रीन कलर का. उस पे क्लिक करो और क्लिक करके कुछ प्रॉम्प्ट आता है तो मुझे बताओ. आपका पीपीटी जो है डेस्कटॉप पे रखो, चेक करो डेस्कटॉप पे है क्या.
यस मैम.
है ना. ओके, अभी शेयर स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करो. हो रहा है.
यस मैम.
ओके, अभी आपका पीपीटी सिलेक्ट करो और ओपन करो. ओके, चलो दिख रहा है. इट इज विजिबल. अभी नीचे एक स्लाइड, हाँ इट्स विजिबल नाउ ऑन द स्क्रीन. नीचे स्लाइड शो का ऑप्शन है, उस पर क्लिक करो तो फुल स्क्रीन हो जाएगा वो पीपीटी आपका. हाँ,
इज इट विजिबल नाउ?
राइट. ओके, आपका हाँ इट्स विजिबल, इट्स विजिबल. अच्छा, आपने रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट किया या बाद में स्टार्ट करोगे? आई थिंक रिकॉर्ड ऑलरेडी हो रहा है, यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है. जस्ट चेक कर लो. आपके वहां पे जो रिकॉर्ड का ऑप्शन है, जब आप स्टार्ट करोगे तो उस पे क्लिक कर देना.
Recording started already.
स्टार्टेड ना. ओके, अच्छा. एंड जस्ट आपका वीडियो अगर आप करना चाहते हो ऑन, तो वीडियो ऑन कर सकते हो.
नो मैम, आई एम कंफर्टेबल विद दिस.
ओके ओके, ठीक है. सो अरुण, so should we start or should we wait for some more time?
Click on slideshow option on bottom.
हाँ, click on the slideshow
red
option.
color bottom.
Ma'am, visible?
Yeah. Keep it this way only. Yeah, it's visible. Keep it this way only. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Yeah.
We can start now, Dr. Aditi.
Okay. Just a second. Presentation, and it's a very good presentation. You all will get a very fair idea about Calcarea arsenicosa. So already a lot of participants have joined. We would like to start it. If anyone, if I request all of you all to please check if you all are muted and your videos are off. In case you all are not, kindly do the needful. If you all have any questions, you can put it in the chat box, or you all can raise your hand and we'll unmute you at that time. Okay, so I'm sure you'll enjoy the session. It's a very good presentation made by her. So without any further delay, we will start with the presentation. Dr. Ibtisam, your screen is not visible now, so please share it again and select your PPT, and then you can start. Okay, now click on the slideshow option, and then you may begin.
Is it visible now?
Yes, it's visible now. Yeah, it's visible and you're audible. Your voice is absolutely clear, so you can begin now. You can begin with the presentation.
Okay, ma'am. Very good afternoon to everyone. I am privileged and honored to dedicate this platform with respect to my mentor, Dr. Bhau Sahib Zite, and also to my beloved principal, Dr. Gore sir, and to all my beloved overwhelming teachers of Antar Bharati Homeopathic Medical College, Nagpur. A special thanks to Dr. Aditi ma'am, who has given me such an opportunity to express my views in front of you. A special thanks to Dr. Arun Gawande sir and all the group members of EHMM. A view on Calcarea arsenicosa. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Very clear. You
Yes,
can continue.
So we start Calcarea arsenicosa. The common name is arsenate of lime and the chemical name is calcium arsenate. The formula is Ca3ASO4 twice, and this remedy is proved by Dr. Herring. Now, this remedy belongs to mineral kingdom and it is an inorganic compound belonging to class alkaline earth metal, and the uses is it was used as a pesticide, germicide and herbicide. Toxicity. So calcium arsenate is highly toxic in nature, having both carcinogenic and systemic health effect. Now, we will view the Calcarea ars from the periodic table point of view. As the Calcarea arsenicum is a salt of calcium and arsenic. So first we understand the calcium. It belongs to fourth row and the second column. It is the meeting point of fourth row and second column. And the main feeling of Calcarea is need for stability and security. As the calcium is like a young child who releases the instability in the outer world and thus feel the need for the security of a home. He always tries. He is always in the state of insecurity and he wants the security from the home, and thus he becomes dependent on the other people, and the slightest threat leads to more support of the calcium. And the security can be in the form of financial security, job security or physical security. The calcium has the emotional insecurity, which is at the core level present in the calcium. And the patient feels insecure to take the risk and take his own decision. And in the Calcarea, as there is a feeling of being unprotected, therefore there is a feeling of external danger present in the Calcarea group of remedies. Now we will understand the arsenic from the periodic table. It is the meeting point of this fourth row and the 15th column. So the arsenic is in arsenic there is a feeling of need of people, and but there is need of people, but he cannot trust them. He feels they may rob him, and patient cannot trust anyone. He feels I may be cheated, I may be let down from them. That is उसको ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे को ही नीचा दिखाएंगे, जिसको मैं ट्रस्ट करूंगा, जिस पे मैं भरोसा कर रहा हूँ वही मेरे को चीट करके चले जाएंगे. Hence he is very much mistrustful and thus he becomes cautious and careful. He feels as we know that the arsenic is the very weak personality, physically very weak. So he feels my defense is very weak and the peoples are taking away the things. He feels I am too old and I am too weak to protect all my belongings and all my things. He feels I have to see how long and how much I can preserve my things. And he feels that all the things are going out of the control. And so to prevent all his belongings, all his things, he becomes extremely careful. And as the arsenic is very much mistrustful, he always perceives the thieves in the house. हमेशा वो उसको घर में ही ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे घर में ही है, मेरे घर में ही thieves रह रहे हैं, किसी पे बिलीफ नहीं होता उसको. And this lead to the anxiety, which further develops into the fear of robbery, and hence the patient has fear of robbery. So all of you understand the calcarea Rs from the periodic table? Hello?
Yes, yes, it was good. Yes. You can continue
Yes.
further.
Now, the theme of calcarea Rs. In calcarea arsenicosa, there is a need for the people. And this need for the people comes from the dependence. And there is the dependency comes from the calcarea. And at the same time, he is mistrustful also. This mistrustfulness comes from the arsenic, and both the things lead to insecurity, and this insecurity leads to highly anxious state which develops in the calcarea Rs patient. And this anxiety, this anxious state lead to severe palpitation on slightest emotion, and this severe palpitation on slightest emotion is present in each and every disease. This symptom is present in each and every disease of the patient. And he feels I may be cheated and let down, as I have told earlier. So calcarea Rs is full of anxiety and extremely insecure. And in the compensatory state, here left side, we see that there is a compensatory state also. To compensate his highly anxious state, insecurity, he wants to, as there is mistrustfulness, so he does not want to depend on the persons also. So in order to become independent, he becomes very careful and very cautious. Now, from the mathematic point of view, the calcarea Rs belongs to cancer myzome according to Dr. Sankaran. The Sora is the mother myzome of all. Sora is present in every remedy, but in this remedy, the psychosis and syphilis is predominant in nature, which shows perfectionism, malignant condition, and hypertrophy. For example, uterine cancer, hypertrophy of liver, spleen, etc. In also the renal complaint, it lead to chronic nephritis, acute or chronic nephritis. In this, how do we understand that these symptoms comes under the psychosis or syphilis? So from the mental point of view, in Sora, the anxiety, fear, anger, etc. will come under the Sora. In the psychosis, the suspiciousness, mistrustful, anxious state comes under the psychosis. And in the syphilis also, suspicious, mistrustful comes. But there is presence of dullness of the mind. And patient has a lack of thinking power. So he is unable to digest the subject. And the religious affection develops in the patient as there is a syphilitic condition. And on the physical level, the obesity, hypertrophy, overgrowth, dropsical condition comes under the psychosis. And in the syphilis, we will study later that it affects, it is a very much good remedy for the chronic malaria. So in the chronic malaria, as there is a destruction of RBCs, so in the destruction of RBCs, it comes under the syphilis. And from the chronic malaria, we understand like when the malaria occurred, there is destruction of RBCs, and the graveyard of RBCs is known as the spleen. So the more the RBCs destroy, the more the function of spleen will increase, which lead to the hypertrophy of the spleen. So it undergoes with the psychosis also. And as there is a destruction of RBCs, the bilirubin level increases, which lead to the increase in the activity of the liver cells and which lead to the hypertrophy of liver also. We can also understand from the kidney also that there is an inflammation of the kidney which lead to chronic nephritis, and this chronic nephritis is also the degenerative condition of the kidney. Now, sphere of action. On the CNS, it affects the brain, head. On cardiovascular system, it affects the heart and valves of the heart. Respiratory system affects the nose, throat, larynx, bronchi. And on gastrointestinal system, it affects the stomach, abdomen, intestine. On the renal system, it affects on the kidney, bladder. On genital organs, especially uterus. And on the glands, it affects mainly on liver, spleen, pancreas. And it affects also on the tissues. Now, pathogenesis. So in general, as the calcarea is highly toxic, as we have discussed earlier, it is carcinogenic and it disturbs the systemic level also. So it affects each and every tissue and organ, which causes the inflammation, degeneration, this inflammation, degeneration, and leading to the cancerous affection also. So the process begins from the congestion, and from the congestion lead to hyperemia. So there is rushing of blood to the heart, which lead to the palpitations. And along with the rushing of blood to the head also, there is rushing of blood to the head and rushing of blood to the heart. And this lead to the palpitation. And we have discussed earlier in the theme that any least excitement lead to severe palpitation, which is present in each and every condition of the patient. Then comes the inflammation. Second process comes the inflammation. From the inflammation, it leads to the edema, dropsy, which can be seen in the extremities, face, eyes, and hypertrophy. Inflammation also lead to the hypertrophy of the organs such as the liver, spleen, uterus. And there is also the inflammation of the pancreas also leading to pancreatitis, inflammation of kidney leading to nephritis. From the inflammation, it further progresses to the degenerative condition as there is syphilitic miasm present. So in this, it includes the fatty degeneration, and the condition may proceed up to the cancerous affection also, such as the cancer of pancreas, cancer of uterus. Now, these are the clinical indications where the calcarea Rs is indicated. Headache, epilepsy, asthma, heart affection, especially valvular heart disease, cholera, malaria, liver affection, where there is hypertrophy of the liver, hypertrophy of spleen, nephritis, pancreatitis, and cancer of pancreas, and also on the cancer of uterus. Mind rubric. We'll study the mind from the mind rubrics. So patient has anxiety, future about, anxiety about the health, anxiety on waking, anxiety in the bed, anxiety chill during, anxiety at night, anxiety salvation about. And there is great depression of mind with the anxiety. And this all the anxiety develops because of the insecurity. Now, what the Kant writes in his Materia Medica, that the anger and complaints from the anger and vexation. The patient is inclined to criticize, desires for the company, and this desire for company is present in both calcarea and arsenic also, but the arsenic is also mistrustful. So he want to independent also, he is mistrustful, and thus as he want to depend on himself, he becomes cautious and careful. And in mind there is anguish state also, which in which there is excruciating pain of the mind and body, and there is extreme distress and painful condition of the mind. Now, patient has a fear of palpitation, fear of suffocation, fear of impending disease, fear of being alone, fear of death at night, fear of rats, fear of birds, fear of narrow places. So these fears develop. The least excitement causes the palpitation, which lead to development of the fear of the impending disease. Least excitement lead to palpitation, which lead to the development of the fear of impending disease, such as the fear of cancer, fear of heart disease, etc. And the patient has a main fear, which always do of the death. That हर fear जो है उसको अपनी death से related उसको डर लगेगा. Patient do not always tell you that I have a fear of death or I have a fear of impending disease, etc. For instance, he may say that I have a fear of narrow places. So what we understand from that, the patient says us that he has a fear of narrow place. He means of coffin. Coffin बोले तो कफन जो रहता है. हाँ. And I have a fear of rat. So patient says that the rat eats your corpse or dead body. So much fear develop in his mind that he has fear of death also, fear of coffin, fear of narrow place, and from the narrow place, what we understand that when he will become dead, the rats will eat his dead body, the birds will eat his dead body, etc. And everything that has to do with the death absolutely horrifies the patient, and she cannot view a dead body. She is afraid of it, and which lead to the development of the dreams, and she has the dreams of dead people. So from here, these are the fear of bird, fear of rat. This rubric, mind, reading desire, medical books to read. And this rubric is present in the calcaria. So on the other hand, she loves the reading books also. Now only we have seen that she has a fear of dead body and fear of impending disease also. And now there is desire for reading the medical books. So patient learns lot from visiting the patient's home. She loves and she is afraid of it. These are not the contradictory symptoms, but these are the alternating state of the patient. मेडिकल बुक्स वो रीड क्यों कर रही है? क्योंकि उसको फियर इम्पेंडिंग डिजीज का डेवलप हो गया है, फियर ऑफ हार्ट डिजीज डेवलप हो गया है, फियर ऑफ कैंसर हो गया है, उसको सब चीज का फियर हो गया है. एंड to find that if she is suffering or not, she becomes very much careful and cautious, and thus she started to read the medical books. Now, mind ailments from alcoholism. Here calcarea ars is second grade remedy, and mind which lead to mind ailments from abstinence of alcoholism. Here also calcarea ars present. So because of the anxiety and the fear, patient becomes so much distressful that she start drinking alcohol, and patient drinks and becomes addicted, and then the delusion light develops. Please view this clip. So from this, we have seen that the patient has addicted so much, and when the patient abstinate the alcohol, the seizures develop. We'll discuss later about the as the patient start drinking more and more, he becomes addicted, and then the delusion light develops. Delusion flying develops. He feels as if he was flying or swimming in the air, as if his feet did not touch the ground. He feels indescribably well, as if he is in the heaven, and the most wonderful vision passed before his eyes. And it seems to be very great, many different things, but it lasts only for a few seconds, and it passes like a lightning, but it is infinitely much. ये दिख रहा है ना यहाँ पे कि पेशेंट ये ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही है उसको कि मैं हेवन में हूँ, माय फीट्स आर नॉट ऑन द ग्राउंड, ही इज फ्लाइंग, ही इज फ्लोटिंग इन द एयर, एंड delusion light that his weight is he does not feel his weight, and this wonderful vision passes in front of his eyes. And what about the delusion objects about the large, that एक सेकंड का उसके सामने से एक ड्रीम गया, डिल्यूजन गया उसके सामने से, एक सेकंड का खाली बस उसके सामने से एक मोमेंट पास हुआ, लेकिन वो उसके लिए इतना इनफाइनाइट था कि वो उसको डिस्क्राइब भी नहीं पढ़ पा रहा है, और उसके लिए वो बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम था उसके लिए. एंड दस द ऑब्जेक्ट्स सीम्स लार्ज, डिल्यूजन large objects is present. Now, from Kant's view, the patient sees the vision of fire worse at night and on the closing the eyes. The mind delusion, fire at night, mind delusion, fire closing the eyes aggravate. This fire also comes from as the arsenic is present in the Calcarea arsenicosa. It is a Nash trio of the burn arsenic. So delusion of fire, burn is present, and he sees the dead people, phantoms, images. The delusion sees dead persons. Delusion sees phantoms or images. Delusions, images, phantom sees on closing the eyes. We can refer this image. He has these types of the delusions. Can also write that the patient has despair of recovery and of salvation. So rubrics: mind despair of recovery, mind despair, religious affection, religious despair of salvation. Now, sleeps and dream. So in sleeps, sleep is disturbed because of the dream, which are frightful, and dreams of the dead people, which lead to anxiety and palpitation, and thus he cannot sleep. The sleep is disturbed by the violent dreams, sleep disturbed by the palpitations, dreams of the dead people, dreams frightful, wakeful in the later part of the night. Because of such dreams, he does not sleep at the night, and he is wakeful in the later part of the night. Now, we proceed to the particulars. First, head. There is rush of blood to the head, and this rushing of blood is also present in the glonine also. Headache ameliorate with the mental exertion, but worse afterwards. It is written in the Kant's Materia Medica that headache is ameliorated with the mental exertion, but is worse afterward. What is the meaning of this? कि मतलब मेंटल एक्सर्शन कर रहा है वो, तो उसका हेडेक जो है कम हो जा रहा है, लेकिन फर्दर प्रोग्रेस ऑफ द मेंटल एक्सर्शन लीड टू worse condition of the headache. There is violent rush of the blood to the head with the vertigo. Violent rush of blood to head with vertigo. And they get the headache on the side not laid on. There is a pain in the head, better by lying on the painful side. It moves from side lain on and goes to the side not lain on. and continues to change the position. This is also written in the cat. यानी वो जिस तरफ सोएगा उधर से उसका हेडेक शिफ्ट होके दूसरी तरफ में चले जाएगा जहां पे जिस तरफ वो सो नहीं रहा है, and it continues to change about the position, and hence the patient, this written that headache is on the side not laid on, and the pain in the head is better by lying on the painful side, and there is rush of blood to the head before an epileptic attack. This is written in the hearing guiding symptoms. And weekly headache, this is the keynote symptom which is present in the boric materia medica. Hello ma'am.
हेलो.
Yes ma'am, 3:38 मतलब टाइम बचा हुआ है इसके अंदर में.
हाँ, अभी the meeting will end in some time, so I request all of you all to join back again with the same link that was provided to you or the same ID and password. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, you can ask her. Please ask the questions related only to her presentation. If you have any questions, you can ask her right now, or you can type in the chat box. Dr. Ibtisam, can you tell everyone till now what were the references that you used for this particular presentation?
Yes ma'am, I have made the separate slide of reference book.
Okay.
In the last I will
Okay,
show.
So far the So far the presentation is going really well. You have incorporated a lot of important things in the presentation, and your voice is also very audible and clear, and there are no questions also so far by any participant. If anyone would like to add something, any of the practitioners would like to add something about Calcarea arsenicosum, you all can add right now, or you all can add at the end of the presentation also. The meeting is going to end in another 2 minutes. Kindly join back again. Some comments have come, Dr. Ibtisam, in the chat box. Wonderful description is one comment from Dr. Shweta.
Thank you ma'am.
You have explained really well, so I don't think anyone has any questions right now. But we will wait till the end of the session in case anyone has any questions later. Another comment has come, nice presentation. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Akhilesh says excellent presentation. Dr. Payal, nice presentation. Dr. Pallavi, understandings of rubrics is good. Dr. Mukesh, confident understanding of remedy with nice PPT. I would again like to tell you all she is a 4th year student, but she has done a lot of hard work and put in so much